Hi! In front of me is Realme 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Realme. Begin by going into Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in DevCheck. Now you need to get this free app from Flartu developer. DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now, thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!